What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're at it today. Adam's doing his exhaust. I'm not sure whether this video will become before or after that video, but you know, have a look and see what other videos are around and watch them. Anyway, while Adam's here doing this and the welder and all the gear set up, I was doing this manifold for a mate. Fixed that up, had a bit of fun TIG welding, so I thought I'd do a bit of an exercise, get a bit more practice welding in. For ages I've wanted to make a new intake pipe for the R31, just because when I built this and I put the intake on it, I bought two 45-degree angles. In retrospect, I should have got 60s. It's not tight enough to get it out. It rests against the dizzy cap and it just makes a weird angle at the turbo. Down there you can see it makes a weird angle down there. It's not quite right. It needs to be a tighter bend. So I thought be a nice little exercise to make a pie cut intake, because obviously puts everything on show, looks pretty cool if I do it right, and there's heaps of welding in it, so it gives me lots of practice. So I've just been spending ages prepping all the pie cuts. I didn't really measure them or do much really. I just sort of set the drop saw and cut a heap of pie cuts and then spent ages prepping them. So deburring them, getting them ready. So now it's just a matter of hopefully just piecing together a nice pie cut intake. So there we go. Bit of tacked up. Looking pretty damn fine if you ask me. Oh yes. Looks pretty good if you ask me. I like it. I like it a lot. So you can see how different the angles are there. So this thing's going to fit way better, so hopefully I can weld it up nice and pretty. So the other thing I'm going to do now is, because I want to leave my welds raw and I want to hopefully get some nice colour in them, and this stainless is all quite dirty because it's been down in the pileless steel. So I'm going to polish this up now before I weld it, give it a bit of a clean up, get it nice and clean, and then I'll clean it up with some acetone or some thinners and hopefully get some good welds. I'm not going to bother purging it just because I couldn't be bothered, and there's a lot of welds to purge if I wanted to purge it. So just going to weld it at really low amps and hopefully not penetrate too bad and hopefully not get too much disgustingness on the inside. It is only an intake pipe, so it's not under pressure, so it's not going to matter too much that they're not purged, as long as there's no big swarf in the centre. Alrighty, so looking a lot better after a quick polish. Doesn't take very long. Looking much better. Still not the best stainless. It wasn't the best piece to start with, but you get that. It's just a sort of first time experiment for Max to do a bit better at TIG welding. So anyway, now with any luck, as long as my welds are all good, I can leave them raw, and hopefully it'll look really, really schmick, and I'll be super proud of it as a very amateur person that does welding.
Why this is covered in rusty runs?
Oh, it's sap from that tree where it sits under.
Ah, it looks like when I stand back there, yeah, it looks like it's rusty.
Yeah, look, like it needs a wash real bad.
No, leave it. It's like a rat rod. That's sick.
It's heated.
Yeah.
That's fuck that. It's definitely getting washed soon. Few more tacks on it. Looking good. Not bad if I say so myself, as a very amateur fabricator, welder slash not had much experience really at all. I'm quite happy with how that turned out, sorry. So just gonna let it cool off. And then once it's cool, I'll give it a wash out and give it a wash down and see how it looks on the cat. Alright, so because I didn't purge and actually did get sort of a bit of penetration in a few places, all I did was get the flapper wheel on the die grinder and just go around the inside of the welds there, just to make sure that any of the loose stuff is broken off, so I'm not going to suck anything into the intake. So now that it's cooled down, I'll just wash it out, make sure it's all clean inside, and then we can chuck it on. And I'm pretty excited, pretty stoked to have this on my car, my own little creation, my first little real fab creation for my fucking car. And I like it, the colours all came out like wicked. As a very, I don't know, I've said it, but as an amateur welder, not much experience, haven't done much of this, I'm pretty stoked with that outcome. I'm pretty happy. That's pretty sick. Anyway guys, I can't even show you what it sounds like because the exhaust leaks are that bad on this car at the moment. I still have to get a new gasket and redo that hot side. I'll probably do that in the next 2 weeks. Now that hopefully after I finish this VL this week, I'll have a bit of time to do it. But anyway, new intake pipe, that was a cool little project, very cool little fab work project for me. Really good practice, had a lot of fun, and I'm really stoked with the outcome, so that was awesome. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe and smash like, and I will see you on the next one. Catch you later.